Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today a quick one on an easy way to sharpen hairdresser scissors. So with these, especially with this kind, you often have the problem that you cannot take them apart. As you can see on mine, it has a screw put in, but at some point it was riveted, and without a lot of effort grinding this down and reworking it, you cannot take it apart. So I tried using my DMT sharpener kit here with the small-handed tools. I'm probably going to use the medium one, so the fine one, and we can use it to sharpen this pair of scissors while it is assembled, which is a lot easier, and it's also a lot safer. The issue with the hairdresser scissors, they have a very big bend in it, as you can see when it is closed. You can see it is bowed out in both directions. You can see the light in between. And so what that means is you need a ton of pressure to keep them flat on a larger stone. Like if you had a diamond plate, it takes a ton of pressure and it's often not possible. But by using a smaller stone that doesn't cover the entire surface at once, you can still sharpen it. For this, I am using the back of my leather strap, just a piece of wood to rest the scissors on. I'm going to use a bit of water to cover up the debris. I already did some passes on here, it was quite rusty, so you need something to carry the debris away. And now we can start. I'm opening the scissors. The way I'm sharpening them is so that the handle is not in my way. So I would sharpen this blade this way. And so I just make sure you keep it flat. I'm using the very tip of this, and I'm not using a lot of pressure. Keeping it flat and then just going from side to side. If you have trouble finding the correct angle, because it is very important that you keep your stone very flat so you don't ruin the blade, put some Sharpie on it. It does help a little bit, but it works without as well. And just like that, we are basically already done. The second time works in the exact same way, and I can feel that it is very sharp, and it starts sticking in my fingernail under its own weight, so it works. If you have a nicked scissor that is damaged, it works in the exact same way and you can repair it. Just if you buy the kit, make sure you use the core stone. And don't shy away if you're taking away a lot of material. As you can see, most of the hollow grind in the middle of the scissors is already gone on this one, but it's just, what has to be done. This had some damage on the top and I had to sharpen them a lot, and it's just what you need to do. If you remove all of the hollow grind, that's just the way it is. Don't shy away from that. But other than that, they do work pretty nice. Using some kitchen towel. They do require some work adjusting. Yeah, as you can see now I'm getting very nice cuts. So I need to adjust those a little bit. Maybe tighten the screw or hold them the right way, and then it works. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video or found it interesting, consider giving the video a like or subscribing to the channel, and then I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.